I'm making a first-person dungeon crawler in Roblox. Stick around until the end of the video. There are tons of features you won't want to miss. Top comment on this video will be added as an Easter egg into my game. I kick things off by testing multiplayer PvP, and let's just say I had to rework a lot of code to get it running. But in the end, it was totally worth it because it worked perfectly. Perfectly. Okay. Maybe not perfectly. But hey, it kinda works now. To put it to the test, my friend and I jumped into 1v1 battle. Let's see how it went. Stop! Only 9.7% are subscribed, so please subscribe.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ah! Parry your ass.
Oh, you get some shit.
No! Hey! Oh,
Yeah, I know.
okay,
Oh,
coming.
shit.
Yeah, oh yeah! Goodbye!
Round
Okay,
2,
let's go.
fight!
Punish. Combo. Oh, you're going off the map again! No! Wait, no, please! No, wait, actually. Hurry, rush! You're dead. Yeah! Victory! Let me know your thoughts in the comments towards the multiplayer PvP. Next, I added a health potion system. Shout out to Lil Sway and Banana Mesterin 2003 for suggesting this awesome feature. Right now, there's only a tiny health potion that heals 10% of your health, but don't worry, stronger potions are coming. I also added a hotbar system, so now players can equip artifacts, items, and more. But now, it's time to add sounds! I built a sound system and added crisp, satisfying sounds to the game. Next, I created a drop system, where enemies have drop rates when defeated. To make loot even more rewarding, I also added a rank system, so you can now pick up XP from fallen enemies to rank up. I added a chat system with color text based on certain words. Why? So that in the middle of combat you can recognize colors in your peripheral vision and instantly know what's going on in the chat. I also reworked the parry system. Now, while you're in the combo, you can still attempt to parry every strike, but blocking won't work. This makes fights way more intense. Ugh, what is that sound? Introducing the new goblin type, the tank. This beast can jump far, hit hard, and spin fast. If you see a red exclamation mark above his head, that means an unstoppable attack is coming, so be ready. He also has a ton of guard, meaning instead of trying to break through, it's smarter to punish him while he's charging his attack. Next up, I added a new weapon, the Goblin Mallet. It's a hard-hitting, slow tank weapon designed to support your teammates with its passive ability. When you're holding this weapon, allies take 25% less guard damage from enemies. Since it's a heavy weapon, I gave it a mobility-based ability to balance things out. Aerial Slam. This lets you jump and slam into the ground, and the power adjusts based on where you're looking. All weapons will eventually have more abilities and unique passives, but that's something I'll add later on in development. To wrap up this devlog, I also added an upgrade system. I haven't built a full skill tree yet, but the core system is in place. Now, I can lock weapons and abilities behind skill points, which you earn by ranking up. This means players will have to specialize in specific builds, encouraging teamwork to make it deeper into the dungeon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on the game's progress. And don't forget, leave your suggestions in the comments. I'm always looking for cool new ideas to add. Who knows, your idea might be taken into the game.